Hey guys, it's Pauline and happy Lundi GRAS because today is Monday and then tomorrow is Tuesday, Fat Tuesday, or for people that don't observe, Happy President's Day. So I have a couple of orders here that came in. Now this came in Friday. I hadn't had a chance to open it. No, Saturday, I think. I hadn't had a chance to open it. I've been out of town. So let's do these together now. The post office here is closed, but Amazon did deliver this today. All right. I have to guess Amazon always delivers. All right. So I have a kit. Okay. So it's my monthly subscription. I think I'm down to just 2 monthly subscriptions as far as scrapbooking. There was just time I had a ton of them. But I whittled them all down till, no, I got 3. I got Kelly Perky, I got Elle Studio, and I got 1 Studio Calico stamp set. Anyway, let's take a look. I really like this Elle Studio scrapbook kit because I like her style, and I think with tax and everything, shipping and all that, I think this is $12, and I think this is pretty good. It's a pretty good value. So you get Project Life cards. I know Project Life is kind of going out of style for some people. I still like it. I hope they always do this because I love it. Really cute. Oh, I like that. Our Valentine's Day, actually, we ended up having some sad news. My mom's best friend, my son's godmother, she had COVID and they took her off the vent. And so that was a really hard day. All right. And it happened to be on Valentine's Day. So, but we got, let's see, these the stickers. No, these are die cuts. So you just pop these out. Really cute. Oh, that's interesting. Guess you stamp something here. That's interesting. All right. So there we go. That's my little kit. And then we will see. I think this is a fountain pen, which is what I'm just like obsessed with lately. Let's see. But I don't know if y'all noticed, but it's slowing down, right? And it's going to slow down a lot because I really need to just enjoy what I already have. But then I keep seeing things that I thought, well, I'm going to get that later. That's going to go on my list for later. And then I find like a really good deal on it. There's one sitting in my basket right now, but I haven't jumped on it yet. And I'm going to try not to. So this is a Sailor. So this was a pretty good price. So let's take a look. I want to say I paid $40 for it, but I will link it. Okay, so this is just the regular cardboard box. Sleeve, and then the cardboard box. So this is not going to be one of their high-end pens. Okay. Yeah. All right. And so, let's see. Oh, I forgot. You need a converter to go with this. So, we got let's look at the inserts here. Standard stuff. But now I'm gonna have to order the converter because I don't have an extra one. They show you one. Well, no. That is, yeah. So anyway, so let's take a look at the pen. So I was hoping that this was one of those ones that had the little sparkles, but it's not. But I am just really a fan. So it's not like my absolute favorite company, but I am a big fan of Sailor. Pilot, I would think, is probably my favorite. But they do write smooth. They do have that little feedback, which you know, doesn't bother me. It's not my favorite thing, but it doesn't bother me. And I don't know what it is about these bullet ends that I don't really care for, but it doesn't bother me, but I don't really care for it. You know what I mean? Like if this was a more expensive pen, I wouldn't have bought it. So this is a 1911. And then let's take a little look. Very nice. All right, so that is my pen. All right, and that was all I had to share, guys. I could have sworn when I looked at it, it had some sparkles in it, but maybe not. Apparently not. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.